This video is about system of equations recap day 2. So in this video we have to rearrange our equations so we get the x and y on one side and the number on the other so we can do elimination. So in number 1 in the first equation we want to move 4y by subtracting 4y and move 10 by subtracting 10. So when we rewrite that we get 5x minus 4y is equal to negative 30. In the second equation we're going to add 3y to both sides and subtract 2. So we get 2x plus 3y is equal to negative 12. Now, if we look at the equation, we already see that the y's have opposite signs. That's a start for us. So we are going to multiply the first equation by 3 and the second equation by 4 so that they can become 12 and negative 12 and be able to cancel out. So we get 15x minus 12y is equal to negative 90. And we get 8x plus 12y is equal to negative 48. So when we add straight down, our y's cancel out and we're left with 23x is equal to negative 138. When we divide by 23, so we get that x equals negative 6. So we're going to take negative 6 and we're going to substitute in. So we have 5 times negative 6 plus 10 is equal to 4y minus 20. So we get negative 30 plus 10 is equal to 4y minus 20. We get negative 20 equals 4y minus 20. We can add 20 to both sides. 0 equals 4y, so when we divide, y is 0. So we would have negative 6, 0. Of equations, we need to reorganize again, so we're going to subtract 10 from both sides and subtract 3y from both sides. In the first equation, 4x minus 3y equals negative 1. In the second equation, we're going to add 6 to both sides and subtract 2y, so we get 3x minus 2y is equal to 2. Have any equations with any variables with opposite signs. This time, let's try and get rid of our x's first. So I'm going to multiply the first equation by 3 and the second equation by negative 4 because I need a negative sign in there, so we'll cancel out the positive. So we get 12x minus 9y equals negative 3, and we get negative 12x plus 8y equals negative 8. When we add straight down, this time the x's cancel out, so we're left with negative 1y is equal to negative 11. Divide by negative 1, so y is 11. Then we're going to take 11 and substitute in for y. So we have 4x plus 10 is equal to 3 times 11 plus 9. So we have 4x plus 10 equals 33 plus 9. 4x plus 10 is equal to 42. We can subtract 10 on both sides, so we get 4x equals 32. When we divide, we get x is 8, so we would have 8, 11 as our solution.